Hello everybody, this is Alex over with Pete's RV in South Windsor, Connecticut. Stop on Yellow RVing. Just had a new arrival come in. This is a 2024 Jayco White Hawk 26 FK. This is going to be a luxury level travel trailer, lightweight as well in the Jayco lineup. It's going to have the power tongue jack on it, two 30-pound propane bottles. Got this beautiful windshield on the front of it. That's going to cuts over the top of the counter in the front kitchen for this floor plan. Got this nice pass-through storage right here as well, with insulated baggage doors, the metal slam latches. It's going to be your 60,000 BTU on-demand Furrion hot water heater. Not a very big camper. On the smaller side, it also has the Jayco Climate Shield on it. So you can use some colder weather camping, tested from 0 to 100 degrees. This comes in at 32 feet 1 inch overall and just over 7,000 pounds dry weight. Featuring the Asdel construction and Jayco still with the Goodyear endurance tires on it, American made. Big power awning on it, your 2 speakers, second entryway door here as well. This will go straight to the bedroom. That's got a flip out set where you've got your Lippert sturdy steps on the front. Electric stabilizers on it as well. Coming towards the back, you've got your roof ladder. It's a fully walkable roof with Jayco's Magnum truss system that they use. It holds up to 4,500 pounds. You've got your quick connect for propane, and a griddle does come with it. So it slides right into that receiver on the back. Spare tire, frameless windows as well. And this is a 2 slide-out unit. Let's take a look at the inside. This was a new floor plan in 23, but 2024. Haven't made too many changes. Changed out the appliances a little bit. Look at this beautiful kitchen countertop. Tons of counter space, tons of storage. Got your big windshield over the front of it, windows on both sides. Ton of storage up here. Then skylight in the kitchen as well. Definitely brings in that natural light. 3-burner propane cooktop and oven. Storage drawers, and more storage under the sink. Like I said, ton of storage in here. This one's also got the table and chairs set up with the flip out leaf. This does come up. There's another leaf that comes out, and there's some storage under the table as well. And your theater seats, which will have some storage in the middle. It's also got your drop-in tray tables. Electric fireplace. Also, they redesigned some of the wood in here for the 2024. Makes it a lot lighter compared to the darker woods that they used to use. Then Insignia Smart TV with it as well. Over here, you're going to have your dual entry fridge and freezer, 10 cubic foot. Also does open from this way too. Fantastic fan right up here. Another storage closet. These are movable shelves as well. And a huge drawer right here. It's going to be your breaker panel down there. Coming up top, here's going to be your controls. Kind of simplified it for the 2024. This one does not have the Jayco command on it, like you saw in previous model years. It's going to be for your Furrion on-demand hot water heater, slide control, awning control, water pump, lights, then your tank checks. Let's take a look at the bathroom now. Got a porcelain toilet with the foot flush. Vanity here with the matte black finish on the faucet again. Medicine cabinet. GFI outlet below, and then more storage. As well as more storage right up here. Ton of storage in this unit. Also your kind of half moon rounded shower. It's got the surround with the little edges and ledges where you can put all your soaps and shampoos. Also another vent fan in here. Now we're coming into the master bedroom. Bed is on a slide. Just a queen size mattress in here. You've got end tables. You've got USBs and outlets on both sides of the bed. More storage under the bed as well. Also 200 watt solar panel does come standard on here. This is going to be the controller for it. Your secondary slide button, and then just light switch here. Emergency exit right over the back of the bed. And then large window off the back. Also on the windows you've got these roller shades. And then your wardrobe space is right over here. So you've got hanging space there. These are removable shelves. Storage. Kind of a his and hers type of wardrobe situation. Drawers below. And then more hanging space over on this side. Then this is also a removable shelf. Backer for a TV right there if you did want to add one. And you've got your outlets and cable output up top. So AC is ducted throughout. That's been a good overview of the 2024 White Hawk 26FK. Once again, it's been Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Feel free to like, subscribe, watch another video. Thanks.